Eyes are watching, ears are listening, sound is quiet. Tuck your hands. How are you, little angels? Are you okay? I am fine. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. Yesterday we talked about hold the same, but we were looking at same type of things. Different color, but they were the same type. But do you know there is a spray in your house that holds the same as a jug in your house? Have you ever realized that? Do you know there is a cup in your house that holds the same as a ball in that house? There is a basin in your house that holds the same as a bucket in your house. Have you ever realized that? Today, make sure when you reach home, try and find out which two things that are different in shape, different in use, but they hold the same. Especially the bucket, the basin, the jug, the ball, the spheres, the gourd, all those things holds the same in most cases. Now, look at our board today. Our table has different things, and there are those that are big in size, there are those that are small in size. When I compare this cup, look at this cup. When I compare it with this one, what can I say? This cup is small and this one is big. Can I say they hold the same? They don't. But let me try and see. I have this kettle and this small glass. I filled my kettle. Let me pour it so that I drink this nice juice. Someone there is just salivating. What can you say about the kettle and the glass? They hold the same. Are they of the same type? This is a kettle and this is a glass. But who knew that they can hold the same? We didn't know that. That's why I'm saying there are things in your house that are different, but they hold the same. Let's look at this tumbler and this bottle. What can you say about the two? There is some remaining here. So can you say they hold the same? They do not hold the same. No. They don't hold the same. This tumbler is big than the bottle. Let's see this glass and see. This glass has a very big mouth. This one, when you look at it, it has a very small mouth. Any other comparison? This one is long. We said when they're going up, it's tall. And this one is short. When you compare, look at this. It's tall and this one is short. But let's see, do they hold the same? Or does this one, because it's tall, does it hold more than this one? Let's see. You have to fill nicely so that you don't say, teacher, you didn't fill the glass nicely. Then let me pour in there. Wow, just fits exactly the same. So what do we say about the two glass? The tall glass and the short glass holds the same. Do you know that? Who could have thought of that? People knew that because this one is tall and this one is short, this one could be holding more than this one. But you see, they hold the same. What else should we try here? Let's see. What of this jug? See if this big jug holds the same as that. I have my jug here, well filled. Let me compare this jug and this bowl and see, do they hold the same? They don't. There's some small space here to be filled, which means this jug holds less and this one holds more. So you cannot say the jug and the bowl holds the same. But when you go home, find out between the basin and the bucket. Do we have a basin in your home and a bucket that holds the same? Do we have a cup in your home and a bowl that holds the same? Do you have 2 glasses, maybe different shapes, different sizes, but they hold the same? That is what you're going to do when you go home today in the evening with the help of your family members. Meanwhile, let us make sentences using small glass and the kettle. What did you find about this small glass and the kettle? We have seen that the small glass holds the same as. The small glass holds the same as the kettle. The small glass holds the same as the kettle. Holds the same. We have measured and you have seen. What of the bottle and the tumbler? They never. So we cannot say the bottle and the tumbler holds the same. No. This one, the tumbler holds more than the bottle. What of the glass, the long glass and the short glass? These 2 glasses we've tried. What did you find out? The tall glass, let's say this one is the tall glass and this one is the short glass. So we are saying the tall glass holds more than the short glass. Someone is telling me, teacher, try the 2 bottles. Let's try the glass bottle and the plastic bottle and see if they will hold the same. So we pour it in there. There is some space left, so they don't hold the same. Okay, but when you go home, you remember the assignment that I have given you today and make sure you do that assignment, because I know there are so many things at home that holds the same as the other thing. Even if the shape is different, even if the size is different, but they hold the same. Like the kettle here and the glass. Did you see? They held the same, despite the fact that the kettle does not have the same shape with the glass. It was nice having you around. I hope to see you in the next lesson.